Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best car trash cans that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about this products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Boltlink Portable Car Trash Can Leak Proof. Impress your passengers with a tidy and clean car by stashing the mess away in Boltlink Portable Car Trash Can. It is a leak-proof car trash that helps you to keep the car clean without littering the floor of the car. With its drawstring cord, bottom hook, and adjustable strap, it will allow you to hang it at seat front, seat back, stand on the floor, attach to console, or anywhere you want to place it. This car garbage can usually come with a Velcro seal and rubber opening lid which is soft and closable to load bottles, napkin, and tissues without lifting the lid. The front fabric pocket and 2 extra side mesh pockets will help you easily store sanitizer, tissues, and other miscellaneous items. Finally, this car trash is foldable and portable for traveling. Moving on at number 4, we have Waterproof Car Trash Can Garbage Bin. The NJNJ car trash is one of the best car bin around thanks to its leak-proof design. It is a typical car trash bag that is equipped with a leak-resistant liner that will let this bit to contain liquids and other wet messes. Measuring 12 inches x 8.2 inches x 6 inches, this trash bin will support a large capacity of trash. In addition to that, the bin is sturdy, strong and roomy, thus, it can be used as a backseat toy storage bin or car trash holder. No more mess in your car as this garage bin will help you to keep your car tidy and clean. Moreover, it comes with a portable pop-up design making it easy to carry for your off-roading, camping, and picnics. At number 3, we have Rubbermaid Automotive Pop-Up Trash Can. The Rubbermaid 3317-20 car garbage can is a great solution to the trash in family automobiles. It is designed to help make the vehicle cleanup convenient and easy. In addition to that, this hanging trash can is made to either rest on the floor or hang it securely at the back of the seat. The trash can features a watertight design to protect your clothing, upholstery, and carpet from spills and leaks. What's more, it comes with a flip-top lid that is simple to open and has a removable front dispenser that will hold the extra trash bags. The 2 hooks will offer an area to hang more storage bags or trash from the bottom of the bin. It is equally important to note that cleaning this trash bin is very simple as you can wipe with a soft damp cloth or put it into the dishwasher. At number 2, we have Autobase Automotive Garbage Bag Car Trash Can. You can safely and conveniently trash items inside your vehicle with high-road Autobase Automotive Garbage Bag. This versatile and large cans or garbage bag can hold 3 gal of trash and features 3 versatile side pockets to offer additional storage on your vehicle. Other than that, the trash can has the luxury and innovative design made to be 100% leak-proof and ultra-sturdy, thus, it can store all kind of garbage. It is going to prevent odor from trash while it locks smell of drinks, food and other kinds of garbage. The trash can is made of crush-proof 600D sidewalls and it is incredibly durable and strong, thus it will maintain its upright and rigid shape. This will prevent it from tipping, leaking, crushing or caving. And finally at number 1. High Road Stash Away Car Seat Back Organizer. Are you looking for a solution to get your vehicle clean, neat and litter-free? High Road Stash Away Trash is ideal for you. This 2.5-gallon leak-proof car garbage can is made of high-quality 500D polyester that makes it durable and long-lasting. In addition to that, it will keep all the car odors and trash container while filling. Ideally, this storage organizer is primarily designed to be used in all type of vehicles including SUVs, trucks, and cars. This trash station has adjustable strap buckles that are around the headrest posts and side braces to enhance stability. It also has a bottom cord that secures the organizer on the seat back. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.